Goodness, they're so cute. Here it goes into the unknown, and now he's coming back up. Actually,
Are they real? See that? It's a baby hammerhead. Oh my gosh.
my baby. Remember when you splashed in Mr.
Wow.
It's an eel.
Oh yeah, there's another. Oh,
Look at that guy.
what is he doing now? Do you guys see? Oh, there's the little guy. Look at the little guy. Yeah, I know this eel. Right. They liked your purple. They like the purple mitten thing for some reason.
That's so cute.
It's like teasing them.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
It's so cold out here.
Eagles up there.
What?
Get him.
Hello, fella. Hello, Pink. What was that?
What is he doing? He's like, please don't hurt me.
Where's the fight?
He looks like he's little.
Oh, let's see
Oh,
what
look.
there
Uh-oh,
too.
he's like, look and give me the eyes.
I feel bad for you. God did not give you a nice if you stretch it back.
He's like, I'm scared. Are you gonna slurp up or something? It's like we're moving. You guys trying to find the right.
Going for these celery sticks. Whatever these are.
Nope, he's going for the hay. Look at him.
He's like, let me find the perfect sticks.
The baby came out.
Look at the body. Whew.
Look at Brisky.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. Aww.
And she said, yeah, fuck this, I'm going back in.
Yeah, like I had to pee and.
Hey. Hi. Edible.
Maybe their wings are clipped.
Oh.
Orchid mantis somewhere.
Eat what?
That thing is huge.
I already know how big. Oh, he's coming. Hi.
Oh my god, it's coming right for you.
Why are you coming so close to me? I'm not edible.
There you are.